Welcome to Purple Programming, and today I'll be sharing with you an easy to understand meaning of all major cryptocurrencies in about 2 to 3 sentences. But do keep in mind that this is just an intro video to help you get some idea on what a particular crypto does and not a detailed explanation. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Bitcoin. It is the original cryptocurrency, and according to the creator Satoshi Nakamoto, it was created to allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without involving a financial institution in the process. Number 2. Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is a wonder child of crypto and acts as an infrastructure for most decentralized applications. Also, it introduces smart contracts, which are like programs with specific procedures that once deployed cannot be changed. Number 3. Tether. It's a centralized stablecoin tied to dollar. Number 4. Polkadot. It's an open source protocol aimed to connect all different blockchains and allowing them to work together, which promotes transfer of any data. Number 5. Cardano. It's another blockchain trying to improve scalability, interoperability and sustainability of cryptocurrencies, and those who hold this cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes in the software. Number 6. Ripple. It's a centralized coin built purely for efficient payments and is open source and permissionless. And while Bitcoin transaction confirmations may take many minutes with high transaction cost, Ripple transactions are confirmed within 3 to 5 seconds with considerably little cost. But unfortunately, most people don't see a future for it after Security and Exchange Commission went after it. Number 7. Binance Coin. It's a coin associated with Binance Exchange and gains its value by its centralized exchange as it's most popular in the market. Number 8. Litecoin. It's regarded as silver of crypto and Bitcoin's cousin with faster transaction and lower fees. Number 9. Chainlink. The main idea here is to link smart contracts with real-world data and verifying that this data is correct. Number 10. Dogecoin. It started as a joke in 2013. It's a meme currency in crypto family designed to serve no real purpose other than generating a few laughs. Number 11. Bitcoin Cash. It's a fork of Bitcoin which tries to lower transaction fees and increase scalability, but has been surpassed technology-wise by many other coins aiming to do just the same. Number 12. Stellar. Talking about cryptocurrencies, Stellar is one of the coins which aims at making it easy to create, send and trade digital representation of all forms of money, be it dollars, pesos, Bitcoin, pretty much anything with fast processing time and lower fees. Number 13. USD Coin. It's another centralized stable coin tied to dollar just like USDT. Number 14. Aave. It's where you take a bank and make it decentralized, and here the liquidity comes from its users, so users here can borrow and lend a variety of digital assets from stable coins to altcoins. Number 15. Uniswap. It's another DeFi like Aave, but this time it's an exchange like Binance, just decentralized. Number 16. Wrapped Bitcoin. It's basically just Bitcoin wrapped in Ethereum to be used in DeFi applications. Number 17. Bitcoin SV. It's a fork of Bitcoin Cash, which in turn is a fork of Bitcoin, and once again the reason behind this is to stay true to Satoshi's vision and try to improve scalability and stability of the original coin. Number 18. Teos. It's another blockchain aimed at being highly scalable for commercial use, and it aims to make it as straightforward as possible for programmers to embrace blockchain technology. Number 19. Elrond. It's a blockchain architecture focused on scalability and high throughput, and is aimed at achieving this by partitioning the chain state and an improved proof-of-stake mechanism. Number 20. Tron. It aims to build a free global digital content entertainment system with distributed storage technology. 21. Cosmos. It's a staking coin that is mainly used for governance, and it's where several independent blockchains try to create an internet of blockchain. Number 22. NEM. Instead of controlling just money, you can manage stock ownership, contract, medical records and stuff like that here. Number 23. Monero. Now, Monero's goal is simple: to allow transactions to take place privately and with anonymity. Even though it's presumed that Bitcoin can conceal a person's identity, it's often easy to trace payments back to their source because blockchains are transparent. On the other hand, Monero is designed to obscure senders and recipients alike through advanced cryptography, and obviously this makes this coin the go-to on the dark web. Number 24. Theta. It's a decentralized video delivery network which works on peer-to-peer streaming, and the token performs various governance tasks within the network. Number 25. Teos. It's another blockchain for smart contract but more eco-friendly and overall trying to encompass various advancements introduced by different blockchain in a single protocol. Number 26. Terra. It aims to support a global payment network and it tries to create a decentralized stablecoin with an elastic money supply enabled by stable mining incentives. Its related stablecoin is Terra USD. Number 27. Maker. It is a token that allows you to receive dividends and vote in governing the system. Number 28. Synthetics. It's a protocol on Ethereum blockchain aiming to allow trading of derivatives, which includes shorting or going long on a specific asset. Number 29. Avalanche. It's an open source platform aiming to become the global asset exchange, and anyone can launch any form of asset and control it in a decentralized way with smart contracts. It claims to be lightweight with high throughput and scalability. Number 30. VeChain. It's a blockchain focusing on business use cases more than on technology and serves the main purpose of bringing this technology to masses without them even knowing that they are using it. Number 31. Compound. It's a Bitcoin of DeFi and it was the first mover, and without it, many other projects wouldn't be around today. Number 32. IOTA. It's an open source decentralized cryptocurrency engineered for IoT with zero transaction fees and high scalability. It's due to the fact that it uses blockless blockchain where users and verifiers of the transaction are the same. It may sound wrong, but it's actually a genius concept and it's quite impossible to sum it up in a single sentence. So I would recommend you to do your research. Number 33. Neo. It's a blockchain application platform and cryptocurrency for digitized identities and assets. It aims to create an innovative economy and it was one of the coins that suffered the most after 2018 bull run. Number 34. Solana. It's another blockchain aimed at providing super high-speed transaction, and it claims to process more than 50,000 transactions per second and be perfect for deploying scalable crypto applications. Number 35. DAI. It's a decentralized stablecoin of Maker DAO tied to the dollar. Number 36. UB token. It's an official token of UB, which is a centralized exchange, providing advantages similar to that of Binance, for example, fee discounts. Number 37. SushiSwap. It's a clone of Uniswap, so it's a decentralized exchange where there's a token called Sushi given as an additional reward for liquidity providers and farmers. Binance USD. It's a stablecoin issued by Binance tied to USD. Number 39. FTX token. It's a token related to FTX, which is a platform allowing you to trade leveraged coins based on the Ethereum blockchain. The permit allows you for a lower fees and socialized gains. Number 40. Crypto.com coin. It's a token of Crypto.com public blockchain that tries to enable transaction worldwide between businesses and people. Number 41. Filecoin. It's a decentralized storage system trying to decentralize cloud storage services worldwide. Number 42. UMA. It builds open source infrastructure to create synthetic tokens on Ethereum blockchain. Number 43. Leo. It's another token, but this time it's related to iFinex ecosystem, allowing you to save money on trading fees in Bitfinex. Number 44. BitTorrent. Now, BitTorrent is a famous P2P file sharing platform and it is trying to get more decentralized by introducing its token, which grants you some benefits such as increased download speeds. Number 45. Celsius. It is one of the first banking platforms for cryptocurrency users where you can earn interest, borrow cash, and make payments or transfers. The CEL token grants you some benefits such as increased payouts. Number 46. Algorand. Now this is a blockchain network aiming to improve scalability and security. Algo is a native cryptocurrency of the web and used for borderless economy and security in blockchain. Number 47. Dash. It is a fork of Litecoin launched in 2014 and is focused on improving the transaction time of the blockchain and become a cheap, decentralized payment network. Number 48. Decred. It is a blockchain-based cryptocurrency aimed at facilitating open governance and community interaction. It achieves this by avoiding monopoly over voting status in a project itself, giving to all DCR holders the same amount of decision-making power. Number 49. The Graph. It is trying to become decentralized Google. It is an indexing protocol for querying network like Ethereum and allows everyone to publish open APIs that applications can query to retrieve blockchain data. Number 50. Yearn Finance. It's a part of DeFi ecosystem and is an aggregator that tries to simplify DeFi space for investors and automatically maximize the profits from yield farming. Number 51. Basic Attention Token. Now, this is a blockchain-based system for tracking media consumers' time and attention on websites using the Brave web browser. It is built on Ethereum and its goal is to efficiently distribute advertising money between advertisers, publishers, and readers of online marketing content and ads. Number 52. Zilliqa. It's a public, permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with ability to complete thousands of transactions per second. It seeks to solve the issue of blockchain scalability and speed by employing sharding as a second layer scaling solution. Number 53. SIA Coin. It is a native utility token of SIA, which is a blockchain-based, distributed, decentralized cloud storage platform. SIA acts as a secure, trustless marketplace for cloud storage in which users can lease access to their unused storage space. Number 54. Decentraland. It is an Ethereum token that powers Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland as well as in real-world goods and services. Number 55. Ravencoin. Built on the fork of Bitcoin code, Ravencoin is a digital peer-to-peer network that aims to efficiently handle one specific function, which is transfer of assets from one party to another. Number 56. Bitcoin Private. It was made from Bitcoin and Z Classic hard fork and aims to combine inherent privacy-rich features of Z Classic cryptocurrency with the flexibility, security, and popularity of Bitcoin. Number 57. Holo. It is a P2P distributed platform for hosting decentralized applications built using Holochain, which is nothing but a framework for developing decentralized apps that does not require the use of blockchain technology. It is still in development and is expected to launch for open alpha and beta testing by 2022. 58. Verge. It is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency and blockchain that seeks to offer a fast, efficient, and decentralized payment network that improves upon the original Bitcoin blockchain and ensures anonymity through use of multiple anonymity-centric networks such as Tor or I2P. Number 59. Omisgo. It is a non-custodial Ethereum-based platform that aims to solve scalability problem of Ethereum blockchain and uses a protocol called Plasma to scale up Ethereum transactions. Number 60. Digibyte. It is an open-source blockchain and asset creation platform which uses 5 different proof-of-work consensus algorithms in an effort to prevent mining centralization. Number 61. Ethereum Classic. It was formed as a result of hack of the network and hence the original Ethereum blockchain was split into two, with Ethereum Classic being the original and Ethereum being the newer blockchain. Lastly, do note that this list is based on my understanding of the subject and you obviously shouldn't make any buying decisions purely based on this list. I always recommend to first conduct your thorough research before investing money anywhere. With that, I hope this video was helpful to you and served value. If you love my content, feel free to smash that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, as it keeps me motivated and helps me create more content like this for you.